Now on our gold, by the way, let's start with our daily time frame. But before we actually start it, you all can see that our prediction on this our gold as is, you all can see that we're actually correct on this our prediction on this gold to our USD. Once we add this impulse movement, our prediction that we'll be having a correction and an impulse movement straight downward to actually take out this highs. And guess what? We actually closed bearish yesterday. We actually closed bearish today. I still believe we would actually go bearish tomorrow and a little bit of a rally movement upward. The reason I say that is that take a look at this price here, this huge candlestick wick here. I still believe until our gold actually drops to take out the candle wick level, then would actually have a rally movement upward. And one thing I notice is that once we are trading gold like this, gold tends to actually have this huge movement and it tends to take out liquidity area a lot. So that is exactly why we should be aiming for this liquidity. Since our gold tends to take out liquidity area, we should actually aim for this liquidity. See our gold drops, take out this liquidity key level here, then we can actually aim for a movement upward. I think we still have about 145, that is about 1459 basis points movement more to drop on the gold USD. So let's see it on our 4-hour time frame. By the way, still 4-hour time frame is still bearish. I think that is still a confirmation we are still dropping. I don't think we'll be having any pullback soon, but we are still dropping to take out these lows we've actually just talked about. So this is actually an impulse move, it's downward, and we would want to see it still drop, then a correction would be made on our gold USD. So I mean, watch out for it. Those of you who would want to take this who would want to trade this gold USD, then I'll say actually short it first until we take out this liquidity area, then you can opt out for it and let's see how our price will plays out before we actually take another trade on our gold USD.